Go for it. He's like a penguin.
Go for it. Move it back to slide head first. Head first, yeah.
Oh shit. And Damien, for the third time. Huh? Alright. He's going belly flop?
Let's go, Ben. This one's pretty good. Get a good run in and just dive in. You have to get a running start though, because otherwise you're gonna get stuck like her. Come on, Ben! Woo!
I don't know, boo. Hey, you got your hat! Okay. This should be good.
Come on, let's go. Here's Alan. Woo! Come on, Tyler. Let's go. Get a running start. Get a running start. All right, guys. Zanko, Freeman, get a running start. You got to get a running start. All right, here you go. They're clear, Freeman. Let's go.
Hell yeah, everybody's ready? Yep. Okay.
You got to get a running start.
You ready to do this?
Woo!
Right?
Go. All right, here's Tim.
First.